What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Friday, love me Fridays. Friday, March 7th, 2025. We are just about finishing up an awesome, the most epic week here at Pipe Doctor Home Services in Woodmere, New York. Earlier this week, with the help of a YouTube subscriber, a retired Local 3, New York City, a journeyman electrician, we were able to get all of the line voltage wiring completed at our training facility here. We have multiple wall-hung modulating condensing boilers, the flagship models from both U.S. Boiler Burnham and Whale McLean. The U.S. Boiler Burnham Alpine and the Whale McLean Ultra 3. Today, I'm hoping to finish up some loose ends here. But first, I gotta make you guys aware that I just started a brand new channel called Mikey Pipes Training, and I uploaded our first video there just last night on the theory and operation of standing pilot gas valves, how it operates, and how it fails. And the premise behind everything here is that it's by techs for techs. If you live and work in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area, and you just need to get a little refresh, or you just need to learn something new today, open enrollment at the Mikey Pipes training facility is going to be announced likely within the next 2 to 3 weeks. Today, I got to do the venting on our Ultra 3, our Alpine. We're going to go straight up. This may pose an issue because we have our spiral duct for our HVAC system, complements of Bosch, providing heating and cooling to our building, our facility. I want to get the Ultra vented up through the roof. I want to get the Alpine vented up through the roof. And I got to get the EcoTech vented out the sidewall. I'm not worried about fresh combustion air, at least not for this room, at least for training purposes, but we will probably run fresh air for all of these 5 units. Come on, if we're gonna do it, we gotta do it right, all right? So make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell to get post notifications when we drop a video. And please, please check out the Mikey Pipes Training YouTube channel. It's a brand new channel. We only got 1 subscriber. Maybe you could be the second. All right, it's Friday. We have kind of a slowish day. It's unseasonably warm out. I got the other mic drilling out some holes through this sidewall. We're gonna connect the exhaust to outside from the EcoTech, and then we're gonna run vertical on these 2 units here. And then if I could fill it up with water, we may be all right. I am working on one other manufacturer, NTI. We'll see if they're going to send us a unit for training purposes. There are many NTIs installed in my geographic location. You know, the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area. So if we can add an NTI, maybe put it there next to the Bosch and move the Ream furnace somewhere else, like to the garbage, because Ream sucks. But nonetheless, we'll figure it out. And then I got to put my 2 hydronic cast iron boilers. Well, not hydronic, 2 cast iron boilers. I'm going to have to put a steamer and a 85%er here. So, and that will complete our Mikey Pipes training facility. I am right now working on this 007 circulator. It still works. It was a little loud for the homeowner, and they wanted to replace it with a high-efficiency Taco 0015E. You know, the ECM circulators that use a fraction of the power than circulators like this that use about 150 watts of power. So we're going to take this circulator. I'm putting it on this 1-inch Taco circulator flange. I put in a 1-inch press by mail adapter on there, and I know it's the bisimilar metals, and I should have used the brass instead of the copper, but I want the students that come here to see what is wrong and give me a list. because everything is not going to be perfect. Nothing's going to be perfect. So I'm going to put this circulator on top of here, and then complements of webstone. I'm using one of these 1-inch press isolation flanges with purge. We're going to put that right here. Now, granted, this is my supply piping coming in. I have 2 zone valves. One's broken, one's not. And we're going to have the circulator here on the return pumping back to the system. Is it back? Yeah, it's back. Back to the system. Our magnetic filter also complements a webstone. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Hopefully the circulator fits right here. And it's a little closed loop. No connected load, but the theory operation will be instructed at this lab setup right here. How's your hole? Oh, you got a chunk right there. Little chunk. We've made a lot of progress here this morning. 10:15 here. We have the circulator in place. It's going to be for the zone valves. We have this circulator in place, this Grumphus Alpha, and this Taco 007. I want to put an ECM circulator there. Maybe Taco, if you're listening, you'll send me a few. And then we're working on the exhaust piping off of the Whale McLean Ultra 3230. We got our Alpine done. We're going to have to put a roof collar up there. Sorry, guys. There you go. I got to put a roof collar up there. Piece of unistrut, and we're going to properly secure that. And did Peter get one? He got one 3-inch PVC Kindorf clamp. Yeah. So we got one. So we're going to get this done, and it'll all be vented. Only one has fresh air, but you know what? We have a 1975 square foot facility with 18-foot ceilings here. Not too shabby. This is all I had. Better than sending Peter to Frank Supply on Sheridan Boulevard in Inwood, and they say, no, we don't have any. They're like turning to Blackman, Ferguson.
And they had no tar.
And they had nothing, and they had no tar either. Can you believe this? A plumbing supply house that doesn't have plumbing materials.
I was surprised when they said none of that.
Yeah. Specific? No, and that's very expensive. I'm not using that. It's like $80. Hell no. It's like 10. Not even. 5. All right. It's going to look really, really, really nice. Really, really, really nice. And then we're going to open the roof. All right, ladies and gentlemen. It's been a hot minute. You know what? Let's finish. No, let's do this one. Yeah, let's do the strip plug. All right, I will hold the pipe and throw a little bit of solder on there. Just a little bit, a tad. Probably shouldn't be holding it with my hand, but a little bit. Make your life easier. Do the top one first. The heat will transfer to the other one. It only needs a little bit. A little drop. Don't get me. A little drop. It's a little drop, Peter. Go to the next. A little drop. Just there. Come on. A little bit. There you go. Good. Good. What's up with that snot right there, bro?
No.
Very snotty.
Very snotty.
Very snotty. Is it cool? Did it cool off yet? Yeah. And look, I didn't. No, almost did. It got the circulator instead, though. Right there. Yeah. Use your fingernails. Don't be scared. It's already cool. Okay. You gotta wipe down the fitting that you decided, otherwise it's gonna turn green. And now is the moment we've all been waiting for, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to add water to the system. Before we do that, let's close that valve. Let's close this valve. This needs to be tightened up and pointed down. Yeah. All right, I believe we're ready. Here we go. For the first time, that's open. Let's open up our expansion tank. And all the system valves need to be closed. So these two are closed, those two are closed, those two are closed. Let's close these two. Oh, I didn't even need to close those because there's two there. Anyway, okay. All right, so now, Peter, the $1 million question. How many leaks do we have? Let's poll the audience. How many leaks are we going to have here?
We're doing like over under type thing. 3 weeks.
I don't know. 12:35, Friday, March 7th, 2025. We hung our first boiler on the wall last summer. We started with I think it was the Whale McLean. No.
Wasn't these two?
Was it those two? I don't know. I think we first did the one board, then we did another.
Yeah. I
I don't remember. We have to go to the videotape, but I am going to be optimistic and say that I have 3 leaks.
I'm just gonna go with 0.
0? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, place your wager place your best guess in the description box down, in the in the comment section down below. Here comes the water. The Calefi 1/2-inch pressure reducing valve with optional gauge. May want to get some buckets ready just in case. You never know. I hear air at the air separator. Uh-oh. No. There's nothing there. There's nothing there.
Nipple was blocked, right?
That is going to be a low water cutoff.
Wow.
Everything is under pressure. Let's open up the other boiler feed valve. Our spiral vent, of course, is leaking. That doesn't count as a leak, by the way. A leaking spiral vent does not count as a leak. Let's start with right here. Let me get the one end of the hose, the washer on it preferably. Yep, this is a double washer actually. Stick that right there. Let's open and let's fill her up. That's open.
Oh. See a water leak
Where?
on this tee.
What tea? This tea? Oh, fucking Daniel.
Was that it?
It was Daniel. Motherfucker. Oh, you mother cocksucker.
My hell, is this?
Shh. Cocksucker. All right. I apologize for if you took that in a derogatory fashion. It's not. It's actually a compliment being a cocksucker. Open up the boiler drain into your bucket. Mother effer. All right, so does this one count as a leak? No, right? Because that wasn't, we just forgot to put the lower the cutoffs in. So off camera, we were filling up the water and there's nothing there, so water started pouring out of there. And we got this towel that I stole from the, where was I? La Grande Bellevue in Stade, Switzerland. This came from, no, actually, no, this came from the place in St. Moritz. These towels, by the way, we'll see some good towels. These towels, oh yeah, these are the good towels. This towel right here, this one came, feel that towel. Yeah, that came from the spa at the La Grande Bellevue in Stade, Switzerland, where I spent a lot of time there. I did not ski that much.
I would have been skiing a lot.
No, it was very, very bad conditions. But, and this towel came from the other hotel that has the Guinness Book of World Records holder of the world's largest whiskey bar and Scotch bar. You guys can Google it. That's where I stole that towel from the spa there.
Was it impressive?
Yeah, actually was. It was. Okay, so now we have to fix Daniel's F up because he effed up. Damn it. Was it on the, yeah, we have to drain it down. That sucks. Any other place we can get the air out? No, because this is open. If I open up this and this. Good thing I put a drain there, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Horrible. Absolutely horrible. So we have a T leaking. Daniel did. I should make him do it. Is he on his way back yet?
Last time being the only leak.
Yeah, his. Right there. And it's maybe the top. We're gonna hit that up. Fix that. Hot. Let it fill up and we'll do it again. Hit it. Sounds like my steam shower. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Let's all right. Yeah, let's open that up fully. All right, take that off carefully if you can. And let me try soldering this again. Hopefully now we got some water out of there, but that looks back pitched. And if I connect that, you know what? Let's try. How hot is this? Not hot at all. Okay. Kind of hot. Actually, it is kind of hot. Got air? All right. Hopefully now we can do it with ease.